I'm just having breakfast. Yeah, as you can see, I'm having latte here, and I normally use Kericho Gold tea bag. That's my favorite. Then I have some grapes over here, and I'm having donuts and some leftover chicken. In here we don't throw food, guys. So I have a couple of do's today. Let me see, Joel. I have a couple of do's today. First thing, I need to take breakfast. Then after that, I need to work for about 1 hour. I need to try today for about 1 hour. Then after that, I need to declutter my bedroom because it's quite messy. Yeah, so and after that I will just tidy my living room. I need to take my rug out for washing because it's dirty. And let me first do that, and I'll see you guys in the afternoon. Yeah. I'm done working, guys, and it's time to declutter. So I started by turning my mattress to the other side, and now I'm just putting up my mattress protector, and then I'll go in with my clean bed sheet. Bed is done. This is how it looks like. I've leave my number on the screen so you can reach out to me if you're interested with beddings. So it's time to clean my dressing area. This is my small dressing area, so I'll start by removing everything, then dust off the space, then rearrange all my product. So guys, I'm done with my living room. I had to do a lot of camera because it was a lot to do and a lot of cleaning. So I'm in my living room. I'm taking out my rug. So I have the other one, a new one. I bought another rug, so in case this one is dirty, I can have it on my floors. They don't have to be like that. So I'll do that. And actually my living room, it's not that dirty. It just need a little bit of tidying. So let me do that, and I will go and cook something to eat because I'm starving already. So guys, it's lunchtime. I have everything that I need to cook. My potatoes, capsicum, onion, tomato, chili, and some garlic. Then we having some spaghettis. I have my coriander here with me, and I've already defrosted my meat. This is actually boiled, so I froze my meat while I've boiled. So when I want to cook, I just defroze and take some, and that is, yeah. So let me cook, guys, and I'll see you after. So guys, my lunch is ready. Here we have some spaghetti and beef stew, lemon to spice it out, and I'm having tamarind juice, or rather juice of kwaju, and I'm currently watching Sahara animation. I haven't watched this one. I think it's new, or I don't know. So let me eat, guys, and I'll see you later. And it's actually giving back outback. If you have watched that, you know what I mean. Yeah, so let me dig in and I'll see you after. So guys, I got some magnetic fridge here, and I think it's going to be cute. There are, I think, 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. There are 11 of them. This is how they looks like. They're so cute, and some are true. So we have cherry, we have, I bet this is grapes, or I don't know. We have apple, we have tomato, we have maize, orange, bell pepper, what's this, yeah, tomato. Then we have purple and bananas. So I'm not going to put all of them. I think I'm going to put a few of them. Wow, that looks so cute. Yeah, I'm going just to put a few of them, not all. 3, I think that looks cute. 4, tomato goes there. We have some purple here, there. Then what else? I think apple. Yeah, and we're going to have banana there. Yeah, so I'll keep these. I'm not going to put all of them. Yeah, so I think that looks cute there, right? Yeah, so it looks so cute. At least it's not that boring. Yeah, I loved it. So guys, I think I will end this vlog here, and I will end my day crocheting. You guys know I'm into crocheting, so I have 3 different yarns. I want to make something out of this, and probably I'll show you on my next video what I've decided to crochet. And thank you so much for watching. Yeah, kindly subscribe if you haven't, to join the tribe family. Don't forget to comment down below. It does help a lot. See me when I see you to my next video. Bye.